Hey everyone, back with another fan again. I figured I'd do this fan. I just picked this up at Habitat Restore. It's a metal bladed, three bladed, industrial type SMC Laguna, just like a little four blade wood blade spinner type SMC Laguna. This is a metal bladed one, beehive shaped upper canopy. Basically an industrial with a switch housing on, which I would have loved to have, which I've definitely got now, but I really like these. And yeah, I figured I'd do this video before I go away on tour for a couple of weeks, so might see some stuff then. But other than that, I got it set to do the light. Light kit is drawing 0.23. All right. And also, I'm going to take the camera off real quick just to show that it's got the variable speed dial on the switch housing as well. So I'm guessing, I'm gonna see maybe the pull chain, the other pull chain is off and reverse. This might be that type of model, so we'll find out. Got it set to forward. I'm gonna start inching up the dial. I got it turned all the way down. Is it on? Okay, find out where it's starting. I think the low trim on this has been set way down, so that's where it starts. I had to really turn it a ways before it started. Let's see what it's drawing. Yep, 0.19 amps. And because it's a solid state variable speed control, just like on the test rig or a dial on the wall, there's a little bit of buzz and hum. Okay. See if the meter's still in view. 0.34. I'm going to raise that up a little. That's in good view. All right. Yeah, it's already making a difference. I'm only going eighths of a turn. Yep. I'm already getting a medium. Yeah, these SMCs are a little noisy, and even with a built-in solid state. See what it's drawing. Okay. Went up a little more. Alright, 0.7. And I'm just going to bring it to high. I think, yep, that practically was high. That was high. Okay, so 0.72, flopping between 0.71 and 0.72. Okay. Time for spin down. I'm going to see if it's one pull that turns it off. Or I think it... So I just turned it off at the switch because I'm just going to let it do spin down. Good bearings though. Never looked to see what it's rated. I'll look. See what the motor's rated at. Okay, see if I, okay, so I'm going to turn it back down. Okay. I guess there's no reverse. I didn't know if this had the, there's no reverse switch on this, so, alright. Alright. Okay, I didn't know if this had a reverse or not. I guess it does not have a reverse. So, I'm going to go on to the decade box. Alright. Let's see where it starts. 1, 2 microfarads. 3. Starting. Okay, 4. It's going to start on 4. That should not stall. Let's see, what's it drawing? 0.19. Okay. That sounds about right. That's where it was drawing when I got it started with the dial. Here's 5 microfarads. I'm going to let it get up to speed. Okay, 0.24, 6 microfarads. 0.3, 7. And here's 8. Okay, so 5 and 8. And if I get to 13, will that be a high medium, or will that go over, or will that be at high? So we'll find out. 9. 10, 11, could probably do a 4, 7, 11. I don't know if 4 is enough. I was afraid it could stall on 4, because then 11 would be a great high medium. 12, it's pretty close to high. Here's 13 with 0.68. I remember high was like 0.7 or 0.71. 14. I'm going to hit high just to be sure. 72. 69. Okay, here's 15. Let's see what's... Okay, I'm at a match with high. Okay, dropped when I took it off a high. Okay, so I'm still a ways if I go 16. And I'm over at 16. Resonant frequency at 16. All right. Now I've already did the solid state on the switch housing, so I don't need to do solid state. So I'm going to actually just go right to 0 to high, see what the inrush current draw is. Okay, 0.84, and it's going to drop. Should drop to 0.71. So, but definitely no 8, 12, 20 on this fan. You'll put it right over. And learning remote is a bit close to high, so... Okay. Alright, that is actually all I have for this metal-bladed SMC Laguna. And I'll see you next time, probably when I come back from tour, when I get more fans. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.